Bit, can you try that one? If it still work. This one. If it still work. Tagala, can you? Or no? Unbelievable sign. Beatbox. I love it. I want it. I want that one. Because it's pink. You know, I love pink. Unbelievable sign. I love pink. And I do love that one. It's my favorite. Because ng English ko. Snitch, hello. Real tiger, hello. This is my favorite gift ever. Hello. Good morning, guys. Ivy, hello. Unbelievables. And despite of what feeling, soon trembling for real. Let your heart decide a whole new world. Later, after my life, I will call my sister Jisoo. And I ask reply message inbox. Inbox? Wala naman akong natatanggap. A new fantastic. Ay, sabi ko pa naman, hindi na ako magla-live. Magla-live bukas. Uy, scout, ngayon mo na ibagsak. Bukas wala na ako. Ay, wala ako. Sino? A whole world. It's crystal clear. Ang bagsak ko na lang sa account mo. Pwede ba yun? Gusto ko kasi yung nakikita ko. 938. Hello. 938676885. Hello. Ay, 90 pag naka-bisado ko na yung pangalan. Pwede bang bagsakan mo ako? Ay, alam ko na. I will set you as my admin. I will set you as my admin bit. Para hindi ka na makatakas sa akin. Ganun dapat. Sinasend yung ang mga nagpapagsak, sinasend as admin para may tagabantay. Beats your mic. Wala na si Beat. Sabi na sana hindi ko na lang siya sinet na as admin. Wait! Ayan tuloy. Umalis.